Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, we will be learning how to fix error with external gateway on PayPal. Fixing errors with external gateway on PayPal usually involves troubleshooting both your PayPal account and device or network you are using. So the first thing to do is to check your internet connection, turn on your Wi-Fi or your cellular data, and go to your device's App Store or your Play Store in order to download the latest version of PayPal. Type in PayPal in the search box, and once you find the PayPal application in the search result, tap on the Update button to download the latest version of PayPal app. Once you have the updated version of PayPal, tap on Open. Once you open up your PayPal app, go ahead and check for any account issue. From the Activity tab, you will be able to check for any notifications or alerts. Also, make sure to resolve any pending issues that PayPal has flagged in order to get the issue fixed. Another thing you can do is to clear cache and data for PayPal. Go ahead and open up the Settings application from your mobile device and scroll down and tap on General. Click on Software Updates and check for any software update available for your device first. If there is one, go ahead and download the latest software for your iOS operating system. Now get back to General tab and tap on iPhone Storage. From iPhone Storage, go ahead and look for the PayPal application and tap on it. Now select Offload App. Click on Offload App once again, and after a few minutes, your application will be offloaded. Now from the same page, tap on Reinstall App. And once you do that, you will be able to clear out cache and data from your PayPal app. After going through these steps and making these changes, you might be able to fix your PayPal gateway errors. So that's it for today's video. If you found the tutorial to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.